What's going on, guys? So straight into it. Week two. Week two's been a bit tough. Not the hunger of fasting, actually, just the mental side of not being able to see family. Usually, I've done this ever since I was a kid. Like my parents used to like kind of cook food and send us down the road and kind of give out to all the neighbors. So I've kind of kept that going with my family, and my wife and I we both cook, and we've not been able to do that. Speak to our neighbors, chat to people, and it's just been really difficult. Even my little cousins, I can't go and see them, and can't bring them food. Like I'm a big hugger, like both girls and boys, like all my people, my friends, like man them they know me in it. I'm a big hugger, like, and yeah, it's just I can't do that right now, and it's difficult, man. Like, yeah, but alhamdulillah, like the fasting is still going good. Like again, like yeah, you might get about a little tummy ache about 10 minutes or so throughout the day, but apart from that, you're all blessed. Um, what else happened this week, man? So basically, my wife and I we nearly had to throw arms. We nearly got into a fight. So basically, she bought all the snacks that she wanted, and she asked me when she was ordering, "What do I want?" I was like, "Yeah, get some cookies or whatever, some donuts, whatever." Cool, cool. Didn't think anything of it, bro. When I tell you, yeah, that night I was like, "Why is she so quiet?" I was in the bedroom doing some editing and stuff, and all I heard was her just super quiet, not on the phone, not watching TV. Do you know what she did? She put post-its on all her snacks that she ordered. So when I went to open the cupboard later on, I saw her name on all the things she ordered, and she was like, "Yep, don't touch none of my stuff." I'm like, "Oh, you joke, yeah? Is this for a video?" She was like, "No, don't touch none of my stuff." I'm like, "Wow, bro, we what? Are we back at uni? Is this what we're doing now, bruv?" But yeah, it's a bit mad, man. Back to the whole family thing. Like, it's just that's been difficult this week, knowing that you can't see your people. But apart from that, man, listen, I hope you guys are all well. I hope you're blessed. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm always on Instagram, so follow me on there at Star Remix. That's StarEmix. Also, at the beginning of the video, you saw the 98 sticker book. I've just been cleaning, decluttering, making charity bags. Now I'm just trying to do stuff that I wouldn't have time to do in a normal working week. So like, house is super clean. Cleaned out the shed. Like, it's just mad. But apart from that, check out that next video. Love.